There was this Stardust days. I was writing the gossip columns, half of part truth, part legend, some stuff made up entirely.
Part legend. No. More than.
More than yeah. And to where we are right now with the paparazzi, with the paps, and you know, lurking from other buildings into someone's house and taking photographs without permission. Social media handles writing complete fabrications about very personal aspects of people's lives. Have the whole, like, the film journalism is a category.
Yeah.
Has it just completely deteriorated?
Now everybody's doing film journalism.
Yeah, but what is
Social
that?
media is film journalism.
What is that?
There'll be a lot of them who will want to kill me for saying that. But some of them did write well also. There were really good stories also. I won't take
Yeah.
away from that. And some of the journalists from there are really dear friends today also.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it takes all kinds, definitely. But, strangely now today, I mean, maybe 4 years back I wouldn't have given this answer. But today where I sit, I feel that we're coming to a stage where at that point of time, information was scarce. So you got it only monthly or bi-monthly. There was no page 3 also. Then
Yeah.
what is that? Blind item.
Yes.
All that was not there.
Yes.
That all started coming in later. And that also used to come in twice a week or something like that. But so the information was scarce. So there was not that much information. So whatever came out, it's in black and white. The saying, you believed everything.
If it's
that was
in
black
print,
and
yeah,
white.
yeah.
It was believed. And now when you look back, that's true about most of our history, geography, news, everything. Black and white, we believed everything that was printed. But now, I think there's just so much that everybody is reaching a point of saturation where even if you tell the truth, they'll not believe it. I think we're reaching
sad
that
though,
stage
no?
now.
It's so sad.
So from the other side where you believed everything, we are reaching a point where anything that is said, at least I don't believe anything that is said.
As a celebrity and a member of the industry now, when you step out and there are cameras and people are taking photographs of you and everybody has a cell phone, do you miss the days when it was only when you went to a party and then you could go back to your life to some extent, or is this more intrusive?
Yeah.
What's it
So,
like?
For me, the initial period when this whole scenario started was difficult, but I think I've adjusted well to it, and it's all change. I think again, like everything is a part of a change, and I just need to look at it differently. Is how it was. So how do I look at it differently? It sounds very strange. I want to fake show. I should be talking seriously, but yeah. But something as silly as when I step out, I have a certain face on.
Okay.
So cameras are going to be on, phones are going to be on. It doesn't matter if it's paparazzi or not. Anybody will take it, put it, it's on the net, it's out there.
It's out there.
So after a few timings, it's just that. And then, am I okay to be clicked like this and be written about? Yeah, I'm fine with it. Okay, then you're okay with it. So there is a certain face on when you step out. And that, otherwise don't step out.
Yeah.
It's become like that for me. Then you find various places. And now where do you go in the world where it's not going to be there? There really is no place like that other than your room kind of a sort.
Is it exhausting though?
Yeah, there are pros and cons to it. But on the other hand, through the line that I'm in, if I'm not seen, I'll not get the work. And, you have to keep reinventing yourself.